Hi folks, in this section you can go into here and change the brightness. You can also go down and navigate to set the timeout. Currently by default it's set to 30 seconds, but I'm working from home, so I want it for longer, for 10 minutes, because it just keeps on timing out whenever I'm working on the system. Press the F1 key or command and / and it will bring up the keyboard shortcut screen. Very useful screen, so you can work a lot more easily, efficiently. Okay, go into settings, scroll down the left hand side down to the bottom, go into software update, then click on download and install, and it will tell you if you've got any updates that need doing. Mine says up to date because I'm a good boy. Okay, in this section you can put into flight mode, turn the Wi-Fi off, Bluetooth. This is where you can do it all. You can search for Bluetooth devices. You can see in a minute I'm going to start getting notifications where I switch my Wi-Fi on. So I'm going to get news updates. There you go. Okay, if you just press Wi-Fi and click on the treble dots at the top, and then go into advanced. See the hotspots turned on. I've turned that off because if you go into an airport or somewhere, that can be really annoying. Or if you visit somebody's house or some other place, cost a coffee. This section you're going to go down to DeX, Samsung DeX, which is desktop experience, more like a normal PC. You can do a lot on there. You can change the appearance of how you're working. You can always revert it back. See how the icons in the desktop looks different. I prefer the Android experience myself, but DeX is built more for business, so you can display stuff up on the screen, and you can connect Bluetooth keyboards up and stuff like that. Work independently, you can have it on multiple screens. You can work on this tablet and have stuff up on the projected onto a screen, and it won't affect the stuff being displayed on the screen. So you could have notes on your tablet, carry on working with DeX. So it's handy for business. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you later, alligator.